The Lao Front for National Development will convene its 12th National Congress on April 28 to 29, as disclosed by Mr. Lao Pao Song Namwongsai, Vice President of the Lao Front Central Committee, during a press briefing on Thursday.
เนื้อในปิ่นอ้อมกองประชุมใหญ่ผู้แทนในรัฐสังชาติทั่วประเทศครั้งที่12ของพวกเขา
The Congress will undertake a comprehensive review of the resolutions set forth in the previous terms, emphasizing efforts to fortify national unity and delineate a path of future progress. Delegates will scrutinize the accomplishments of the Lao Front while pinpointing areas necessitating enhancement to ensure its enduring role as a cornerstone of national advancement.
พวกเขาจะได้วางคาดหมายในการจะตั้งปฏิบัติ5ปีต่อหน้าเพื่อเฮ็ดให้พวกเขาได้สมทุกสติกำลังแห่ง
Mr. Lao Pao Song highlighted that the Congress aims to articulate a fresh vision for the organization, concentrating on strengthening bonds across all social sectors. This includes fostering cohesion among diverse ethnic groups, religious communities, and the Lao diaspora residing overseas. Various subcommittees are currently wrapping up arrangements for the Congress, encompassing the compilation of political reports, synopsis of the socioeconomic development strategy, and updates to the Lao Front for National Development's regulations. A pivotal aspect of the event will be the appointment of a new central committee. Candidates vying for a leadership role are expected to satisfy stringent criteria with a strong emphasis on integrity, professional competence, and a proven dedication to national unity. The Congress is slated to designate a new president and vice president tasked with guiding the organization forward. In anticipation of the Congress, a range of activities are upholding throughout the nation under the banner of patriotism and development, incorporating sports competitions and cultural showcases. Organizers have affirmed that all logistical arrangements for the Congress are being executed with a focus on efficiency, fiscal prudence, and the utmost standards of security.
บรรดาพ่อแม่พี่น้องจงได้ติดตามข่าวสารและกองประชุมในเทอนี้เพื่อเฮ็ดให้
Mr. Lao Pao Song issued a call to all party members, government officials, and citizens from diverse walks of life, urging them to contribute to the success of the gathering by upholding a spirit of solidarity and endorsing the objectives and initiatives of the Lao Front for the National Development and its endeavors to nurture unity in the pursuit.